Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the fingerprint animation in this device. So in this device I already set one fingerprint unlock. So let me show you, this is the fingerprint animation I set in this device. Now let me show you how to change the fingerprint animation in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option wallpaper and style. Then here you can see the option fingerprint animation. Tap on this one. So here you can see some different type of fingerprint animation. From here you can easily select the animation. You can see. Okay. So here I am going to select this one, Cosmos. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device. Now I am going to touch this fingerprint scanner. You can see the fingerprint animation is changed. Again I will show you. Nice. So you can change this one also. So simply in this way you can change the fingerprint animation in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.